The project name is Traffic Signal Glove. This will show traffic signals without having a costly traffic signal. A police constable or traffic constable can wear this glove and can control the traffic. See, this is a battery. This is a stop LEDs, 4 red LEDs. On the other side, there are 3 green LEDs which indicates go, and the red LEDs indicates stop. Now you have to connect this connector to this battery. Connect it, then slowly wear the glove. You have to wear to your left hand. Okay, slowly allow the fingers to pass through this. These are the 3 switches. If you connect this switch, if you touch this finger to the middle finger, one LED will glow. That is green LED will glow. It means that the traffic he can control like this, go. Okay, again you remove this, then you connect this, the red LED will glow. This means stop. Okay, he will put like this, go and stop. If you remove like this, all will be off. And if you want to stop them, you just put like this. Okay, so it is again, if you press these two, middle finger and left finger or index finger, the go signal will come. If you press the middle finger with the left finger, you will get the red light. Okay, this is how it will work. This is to control the traffic signals at a very low cost. During nights, it will be very much visible. Okay, and how you have to remove it? Slowly down. Slowly you have to remove from one by one finger. Then remove the battery. So this is how you will operate. Okay, you put off chain.
Okay.